Alright guys, welcome back to the video. Today we're going to be playing Animal Company, and I'm going to be going in lobby saying ribbit like a frog over and over again, kind of like last video, but just saying ribbit. And it's like 12 right now, so it's almost 1 a.m, so I gotta be really quiet. But to do this, I'm going to go dress up as more like a frog. If you know, you know. Which is literally a frog. Alright, so I'm gonna dress up as a frog. How do I look, guys? Alright, so we're gonna go in the first lobby. We're just gonna be saying ribbit. I feel like no one's even gonna be able to hear me from how freaking quiet it's gonna be. Alright, let it begin. Ribbit. Ribbit, 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 hey, ribbit, ribbit. Are you frozen? Ribbit. Oh. They're gone. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. No, ribbit, 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 ribbit. What are you guys fighting for? Ribbit. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Ribbit, 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 oh my, ribbit, 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 ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit, the color white. Did you get white? Oh, put everything to 255. Everything. Everything must be 255. Alright. Ribbit. You know? No, you do not know me. You do not know what YouTuber I am. I shall serve you up now. Showed one. This jam is fire, I must say. Right, ribbit. Ribbit. There shall be death. Death upon all. Where's my gun? There shall be death. Death upon all. I'm scared. My revolver. No, Grim. Animal Company is such a good community. A pistol? Oh, I do not. No, I don't. I'm hearing Monkey now. Oh crap, my gun's not loaded. Frick! Wait, no, you have a frog! No! No, I have a red watch! I'm sorry! Please, we can talk about this! I'm sorry, please. I have a red watch. I have committed a horrible thing. Slaughter me. Slaughter me now. Kill me. Someone. It's over for me. Goodbye. Where'd my body go? What the frick? Don't touch my camera. Oh wait. Wait, why are you trying to grab my camera? Ribbit. Ribbit. It's Spider Mickey. Yeah? No. Give me my camera. Vlog. Can you say ribbit into the camera? Oh, never mind. Oh my god! You, Cyan, elf. Alright. Oh my god, I'm geeked. Want the boombox? Sure. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Do you want it back? I'm not really that famous. Oh, snap. What's that laugh, bro? That's mischievous. Oh my god. Where'd the camera go? What did you do? Wait, I want to find the original camera. Where the heck did you send it? Not. Wait, is that it? I see it. I see the camera. Dude, I'm just gonna spawn in a new one. Another camera. Alright. I got the camera. I'm gonna kill it. I need you to come here for a second. Yes. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Shout out to this guy. Like and subscribe, and see you later, alligator.